So today's video regarding HP Deskjet 3760 series printer, how to do the wireless print and scan and how to do copy. Now to do a wireless print and scan, first we need to activate the Wi-Fi direct. You can see this is the Wi-Fi direct icon. If it's on, it's okay. If not, just click it once, it will switch on. Now go to your Android device or any smartphone, download HP Smart app from the App Store, and now open the Wi-Fi setting of your device. Look for printer's Wi-Fi name as Deskjet 3700. It will ask a password. Enter 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and click on connect. Once connected, go back to the app. We have to add the printer here, so click on the plus button on the top. You will see the printer is available here. Click on that. It will add up and show on the screen. Now we are ready for the wireless print and scan. So let's start with the printing first. So click on the print document here. Select the document you want to print. Click on print button. Select the page range and number of copies and send the command. Now wait for the printer to print here. So you can see it has started to print. So it's very easy to do the wireless printing with this. Now I'll show you how to do the scanning. To do a scan, we need to place a page in the scanner and hold it here. Now open the app again and look for the scanner option. So that is printer scan. Click on that. Now hold the page and click on scan button. So you can see it's taking the page in for the scanning, and now you will see the scan in the screen here. Now if you want, you can adjust the area you want to select and then go next. Now you can save it, or if you want, you can add more pages here. So that's the way we can do the scanning. Now I'll show you how to do the copy. Now to do a copy, again we need to follow the same way. We have to place a page facing upward and click on any icon, black or color, once, and it will take the page and it will copy and print. So you can see it has started to copy as well. So that's the way we can do it. Thanks for watching.